Welcome and thank you for creating your DataForSEO account. This series of short videos will help you get started with our products. In this introductory video, we'll walk you through the basics of our service, including our pricing model, API data retrieval methods, and using your API credentials. Let's get started. Before we dig deeper into our service, let's quickly glance over your DataForSEO Dashboard. Here you can check and top up your account balance, manage your subscriptions, and monitor expenses. What's more, the dashboard allows you to take complete control over who accesses your account, buy databases, and even interact with DataForSEO APIs through a convenient playground feature. In a nutshell, the dashboard is a flight control system that will help you manage every aspect of your DataForSEO experience. However, certain things aren't so easy to control. For example, most data providers operate on a subscription-based pricing model. Fortunately though, this isn't the case with DataForSEO. Let me explain why. With DataForSEO, you only pay for what you actually use. It is very similar to how you pay electricity and other household bills. The pay-as-you-go model will help you minimize costs and use your money with maximum efficiency. To top up your DataForSEO balance, you can make a minimal one-time payment of $50 and schedule an auto-recharge when your balance starts running low. Now let's talk about the actual products DataForSEO can supply you with, especially the APIs. Application Programming Interfaces, or APIs, allow different software systems to exchange information seamlessly. In simple terms, using an API is like asking questions and getting answers. If you want to learn more about how APIs work, check out this video. Now DataForSEO offers a wide range of marketing-oriented APIs for all tastes and colors. You can use SERP API to collect search results and track rankings. Keyword Data API and DataForSEO Labs API will aid your keyword research capabilities, while Backlinks API is an essential tool for data-driven backlink analysis. You will also find APIs for e-commerce, app store optimization, and even review analysis. Up next, let's figure out how you can access these APIs and where to find your API credentials. To access DataForSEO APIs, you should use your API credentials, a combination of API login and API password. You can always find them in the API access section. Your API login is the same as the email address you use to create an account with DataForSEO. Your API password is automatically generated by our system after you created an account. Note that your API password is different from the account password used for dashboard access. Please use only the API credentials from the API access page when making API calls. DataForSEO has long been a technological product with a rather steep learning curve. However, now you can benefit from our data regardless of your coding skills and experience. First, your account dashboard offers a powerful API playground where you can easily request any available endpoint and get the data you need in just a few clicks. Secondly, you can use popular no-code or low-code platforms. We have ready-made collections for Postman and connectors for Google Sheets, Make.com, Airtable, and Zapier. What's more, we'll add support for more platforms in the near future. Last but not least, all new DataForSEO users get a welcome bonus to give our APIs a try. It's $1, but it lets you test any DataForSEO API for free. If you want to learn more about using our APIs with no-code solutions or need a developer guide to DataForSEO API testing, check out our next videos. So what are you waiting for? Grab your API credentials, check the docs, and let's get that ball rolling.